Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The last time we started talking about complex number, and we treated the addition of complex numbers. So today we'll be talking about subtraction of complex numbers. So as we said in our last video on addition of a complex number, that add the real and imaginary parts separately. So it's applicable to subtraction. Subtract real and imaginary parts separately. That's what we're gonna do about subtraction of complex numbers. So to subtract complex number, just like so we have subtraction of complex numbers. So that's what we're gonna do today. So like we have z1 equal to a plus bi, and z2 equal to c plus di. So if we are to subtract this, z1 minus z2, we'll have a plus bi minus c plus di. So we'll have the real part, which is this. I told you in the last video that a is the real part and bi is the imaginary part of this complex number. So we have our a minus c plus I b minus d. So this is how you get it. So your figures, then you get your answer. Or you do it this way, you have a plus b, just open the bracket. So minus times c, you have minus c, and minus times plus here, you have minus di. So you collect the like terms, and then you have plus I b here minus d. So you can do it either of the way. So now let's do some working example. Subtract question 1, 3 plus 4i minus 2 minus 7i. So what we're gonna do, let's use the first method, and we have 3 minus 2 plus I bracket 4 minus 7. So we have 3 minus 2, we have 1 plus I, minus times minus change to plus, and 7 plus 4, we have 11. So we have 1 plus 11i. This is the answer here. And let's do another example. We have 4 minus 2i minus 3 minus 2i. So here let's use the second method. We have 4 minus 2i minus times plus 3, we have minus 3, and then minus times minus 2, we have plus 2i. So let's say collect the like term now. 3 minus 2i plus 2i. We have 4 minus 3, we have 1, and minus 2i plus 2i is a 0. So our answer is yet another example. Example 3. Let's have 1 over 3 bracket 2 minus 5i minus 1 over 6 bracket 8 minus 2i. So what we're gonna do first is to open the brackets. We have 1 over 3 multiplied by 2 minus 5i multiplied by 1 over 3. You have let's put it in brackets, minus 1 over 6 multiplied by 8, and minus 2i multiplied by 1 over 6. So here's how we're going to solve it now. We have 2 over 3 minus 5i over 3. Now we have minus 8 over 6 plus, that's minus, and minus times minus, we have plus 2 over 6. So what we're gonna do now is 2 here, 3, 2 in 8, 4, 2 in 6, 3, and 2 in 2 we have 1. So we have 2 over 3 minus 5i over 2 over 3, sorry, minus 4 over 3 plus I over 3. Now we have everything in the same denominator. Now let's collect the like terms. So 2 over 3 minus 4 over 3, we'll have minus 5i over 3 plus I over 3. So what we're gonna do now is here we have minus 2 over 3, because the LCM is 3, and then 2 minus 4 we have a minus 2. Here we have minus 5, the LCM also, the LCM here is also 3, so here we have minus 5 plus 1, we have our negative 4i. So this is your answer. Now I hope you understand how subtraction of a complex number goes. So now let me just give you an exercise. I'll just give you 2 exercises and submit your answer in the comment section below this video. So we'll have your question 1. Your question 1 will have 3 minus I minus 2 minus 6i. So you solve this. Question 2 is let z1 equals to 1 plus I and z2 equal to 2 minus 3i. So z1 is this equals to 1 plus I, and your z2 equal to 2 minus 3i. So put your answer in this form, a plus b. So your question is z1 minus z2. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel, share the video to your friends, your relatives, your children, let them learn, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can get the latest updates, as we'll be doing more about this complex number. The next video now will be doing multiplication of complex number, and the another video will do division of complex numbers, the polar form, we'll do the argand, we'll do the modulus of a complex number. We'll just make sure we exhaust everything concerning complex number. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Thank you.